If you searched how to buy shares of Telecom Argentina SA-ADR, this short guide walks through the practical steps. Telecom Argentina provides telecommunications networks and services and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TEO. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TEO to locate the listing. Confirm you select the Telecom Argentina SA-ADR entry from the results before proceeding. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement and basic facts. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker TEO to make sure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it accepts the trade. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.